In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to Squarespace website. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To start, open your web browser and head over to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to enter your Squarespace credentials. This action will take you to your Squarespace dashboard, the command center where you manage all aspects of your website. Now that you're in your dashboard, the next task is to navigate to the specific website where you want to add your HTML code. From the list of your websites, click on the one you wish to modify. This will open up its settings and customization options. Now you'll find yourself on the website settings page. Here you need to look for the edit option. This button usually resides prominently on your interface to access your site's design and layout tools. Clicking edit allows you to start modifying the contents of your site and bring your custom ideas to life. While in the editing mode, it's time to add new content blocks. Find and click on Add Blocks. This option will display several content blocks you can add to your page, allowing for various types of content from text and images to more dynamic options like galleries. Among the different blocks presented, look for the code block. This block is pivotal because it acts as the container for your custom HTML code. Click on Code and a new section will appear on your page, designed to hold and execute whatever HTML, CSS or JavaScript you choose to include. Once the code block is visible on the editing interface, the rest is simple. Paste your HTML code into this block. Make sure the code is correctly formatted and check it for any errors before proceeding. This could include snippets for forms, widgets, or custom functionalities you need on your site. With the HTML code pasted into the code block, you've integrated your custom element into your Squarespace site. Always remember to save your changes before exiting the editing interface to prevent losing your newly added content. Congratulations, with these steps, you've successfully added custom HTML to your Squarespace website. This addition can help you enhance your site by engaging visitors with unique and personalized content. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, make sure to check out more of our Squarespace tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website customization.